Howdy y'all, I recently posted a short where I went and tried to clean this CD cleaner. However, it didn't really go as planned. I had to remove the cloth from it and didn't know what to replace it with. And after reading all y'all's comments, I decided to go with a microfiber pad. So I'm gonna put this inside here. This is a bit wider than a normal CD and a heck of a lot thicker too, so I'm gonna have to modify it a little bit.
First, it's got to trace the edge here.
There we go. Wait, is it just the size of a GameCube disc? It's a little bit bigger. I want to be able to easily replace these pads in the future, so I'm going to Velcro it in. Hopefully that's not too thick now. Seems like it's a little too thick for it. So that's not going to work. Should try a microfiber cloth instead. Alright, let's try this abomination. It's a little bit... It's not as easy to cleanse as before. Well, it doesn't glide as smoothly as it used to, but it still works. And it holds up. Alright, let's test this out with an actual CD. Alright, got the CD, so let's just smudge it up. You can kind of see all the fingerprints on it now. Alright, let's see if that does anything. Hey, it actually kind of worked. I mean, it couldn't get the edges, and I guess that makes sense why it wouldn't, because there's nothing really kind of pushing it there. So if there was something here, it could probably get the edges better. But for the most part, it got the inside of the disc pretty well. I guess you could start with this and then wipe it down, or you could just wipe the whole thing down. Not bad. Now, one comment I kept getting was I should replace this with something a little bit different. So I cut up a little pad of 60 grit sandpaper, and let's send this thing off in style. Alright, now we just need a sacrificial CD. Snow Leopard, Windows 7 upgrade, FreeNAS, Microsoft Office. Oh, this'll do. Oh yeah, this sure works. It actually makes some nice looking spirals in the disc now. Well, it definitely cleans the CDs. By cleaning, I mean data destruction.
But that'll be it for now. So long, y'all.